Open the ABCproxy client. Next, select target countries and cities for screening. Click on the search. The IP addresses in this area are based on the filtering criteria. Right-click to extract. These ports are available. Click on the search. Click on the Today list. The first IP address is the one we extracted successfully. Click on Port Forward list. Find the IP we just selected. Click on the copy. Open the Adspower Browser. Click New Profile. The window name can be arbitrarily named. For example, fill in ABC. Here, select SOCKS 5. Enter the replication IP address here. Click Check the network. Select Facebook as the account platform. Click OK. Click on the Open. The IP address is displayed without error. Finally, use it.